babes, welcome back to the channel. Getting right into it. I'm starting off with some fresh cornrows, going straight back, and today's video is sponsored by Alipearl. They hooked me up with a 20-inch kinky curly V-part no leave out wig. It comes with an adjustable band as well if you feel like you need some extra security. Y'all, this has been my baby, my go-to. It's super quick and easy to put on. I am wearing it right now as we speak. I hope you enjoyed today's video and consider this to be one of your go-tos. Let's get right into it. To avoid extra tension when I clip on my wig, I'm actually going to be loosening up the area where my part will be at. And this is going to allow me to actually have some room to comb underneath and clamp down without any discomfort. Here is the finishing look. Look at those juicy curls. They are just so luscious. I love some defiant curly hair. I love a V-part wig, especially one with no leave out. This is super beginner friendly. Anybody can do this style. You do not have to braid your hair to achieve this look. All the information on this exact wig is in the description below. I hope you enjoyed. Follow me on Instagram at I am Tatiaunna and subscribe if you haven't already. I will see you babes in my next video.